Cambly learners. My name is Teacher Lisa. I am a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, you'll be learning about the meal types of the day. At the end of this lesson, you will know the different meal types of the day, the times the meals are eaten, and some kinds of foods that may be eaten at this meal times. The different meal types of the day are breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, eaten in the morning to give us energy for the day. Some of the breakfast foods are cereals, which you can have with milk or yogurt. You can also have eggs like boiled egg, scrambled egg, or fried egg. You can also have some pancakes with maple syrup on top or honey. You can also have some waffles, and you can have some milk, yogurt, or smoothies. What do you like to have for breakfast? Cereals, fruits, and milk. Very good. Lunch. Lunch is eaten around midday after your morning activities. Some of the foods you can have for lunch are sandwiches with different kinds of fillings like chicken, tuna, cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce. What kind of fillings do you like in your sandwich? Chicken, lettuce, and tomatoes. Very nice. I like that too. You can also have some pizza for lunch or burgers. And if it's a cold afternoon, you can have some nice soup to keep you warm, like vegetable soup, noodle soup, or tomato soup. You can also have some sushi, tacos, or chicken wrap for lunch. Have you had your lunch? What did you have for lunch? Chicken soup. Nice. Dinner. Dinner is a meal you have in the evening with your family. I like to have my dinner with my family and we get to sit round the table. Some of the foods that can be eaten for dinner are chicken, could be grilled chicken, roast chicken, or fried chicken. You can also have some steak or fish. You can have some grilled vegetables. I love grilled vegetables. Do you like grilled vegetables? Yes, grilled vegetables is very good. It makes you grow. You can also have some desserts with your dinner, like ice cream, cakes, or fruit salad. What do you like for dinner? Chicken and vegetables and fruits? Very nice. Good choice. Snacks. Snacks are small bites you eat between meals to satisfy your hunger. I love to have snacks. Some examples of foods that are eaten for snacks are popcorn, cookies, fruits. What kind of snacks do you like? I like cookies, and sometimes I have fruits like banana, orange, or apple. Now let's check what you remember. What are the meal types of the day? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Great job! Always remember, different cultures have different meals they eat for each meal time. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to native English speakers that are kid friendly, just like me. Get your parents to schedule the next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.